Welcome back to the Tyreman Unplugged, your go-to source for the latest updates from the Malaysian tyre market. I'm Richard Wilson, and if you're looking to stay ahead in the tyre industry, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the Tyreman magazine. All of today's news items are available in full on our website. Let's dive into episode 31. Kicking off, Bridgestone Tyre Sales Malaysia has been appointed the exclusive tyre supplier for the inaugural GR86 Cup Malaysia series, the support race for the Super GT Festival Malaysia 2025, scheduled for June 26 to 28. All the Toyota GR86 one-make race cars will run on Bridgestone's Potenza RE71S tyres in the size 225/45 R17. This aligns perfectly with Bridgestone's heritage in Super GT and its mission of from circuit to street, using motorsport as a mobile laboratory for innovation. Next up, Nexen Tyre has had a win in the pickup and light truck segment as its all-terrain Roadian HTX2 has been chosen as the original equipment fitment for the Kia Tasman, Latin America's new pickup offering. Featuring Nexen's patented 3D curve pattern and heat-dissipating structure and high-load optimizations, this tyre promises traction, comfort and durability across off-road, desert, mountainous and snowy terrains. In CSR news, Apollo Tyres has officially launched Season 5 of its United We Play grassroots football programme in Mumbai, featuring Manchester United players Harry Maguire, Andre Onana and Diogo Dalot. The initiative aims to discover and nurture under-13 and under-17 talent across India, offering training-based programmes based on Manchester United's soccer school's curriculum. Over the past 4 years, the programme has reached more than 30,000 youth in 25 cities. In product updates, Pirelli has introduced the 5th generation P0 Ultra High Performance tyre available in 18 to 23 inch sizes across more than 50 variants. Redesigned using AI and virtual prototyping, it features enhanced tread structure for superior cornering grip, braking and wear life. Unique elect versions designed for EVs offer up to 10% range increase through reduced rolling resistance. The tyre also boasts new sidewall graphics and has earned A wet grip ratings. Finally, a team from Westlake Malaysia visited ZC Rubber's headquarters in Hangzhou in early May. They toured the advanced 5G Future Factory, exploring the brand's smart automation, real-time monitoring and sustainable logistics systems, as well as its full product lineup and tech roadmap. The event deepened the partnership and showcased ZC Rubber's commitment to innovation and global growth. That wraps up episode 31 of the Tyreman Unplugged. If you enjoyed today's stories, hit the like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more tyre industry insights. See you next time.